generations of Americans to innovate, endeavor, and persevere. Benjamin Franklin, American founder, scientist, inventor, and
ഞങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ
diplomat.
US പവലിലാണുള്ളത്.
As we enjoy great advantages from the invention of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of ours. And this we should do freely and generously. Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. The dawn of a new nation brought the promise of great freedom. Freedom to dream, explore, inspire, and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future. This spirit of freedom, exploration, and aspiration has inspired generations of Americans to innovate, endeavor, and persevere. American founder, scientist, and inventor, and diplomat. As we share great advantages of the invention of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of others. And this, we should do freely and generously. Single-handedly changed the language of human contact, along with our perception of the modern, the alternating current, another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line. The car was now within reach for many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V rockets that powered Americans to the moon helped us see our world from afar for the first time, allowing us to witness how beautiful our world is. The digital age brought personal computing and the internet into the offices, homes, and hands of people around the globe. Envisioned and developed by American dreamers, the internet makes it possible to share ideas far and wide, nearly instantaneously. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and homes of people everywhere. Immediate access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Freedom affords us the ways that were impossible just 10 years ago. As we look at the point of crisis understanding changing weather patterns and increasing temperatures is the jump of expensive weather satellites.
The goal of Manorax is to use the harsh and unique environment of space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we face here on Earth, from climate change to food scarcity.
We've announced the Starland Research Center and will be the world's first change in the driest regions of the Earth.
Earth and space are one ecosystem, really, and we are a part of each other. And so figuring out how to grow things in a much more harsh environment in space is going to help us grow things in harsher environments here.
Every day, the Voyager mission streams back data 44 years after launch from Cape Canaveral in Florida. It's a mission that continues to reach for the stars as it is possible by our drive to discover, explore, and shape the future. Today, we stand at the frontier of discovery. The benefits of our unquenchable curiosity set the foundation for an exciting new future. the next generation code that unleashes the speed and potential of quantum computing. Quantum computing and its unique problem-solving capabilities promise to revolutionize the way we live, work, and create. The development of better treatments is within reach, and their memories may not be lost. Unlocking the power of quantum computing will change the world, supercharging the next information age.
Part 2.